Today I'm going to show you how to create a new customized course homepage in D2L Bright Space. First, click on Course Admin on the right side of the nav bar. Next, under Site Setup, you need to click Home Pages. On the drop-down menu next to Course Homepage, select Copy. Now you can see the copy of my course homepage down here. This is where we are allowed to edit and make some customizations. Now let's go ahead and click on this homepage. Here we can give it a name. Give it a meaningful name that you'll remember. You can also give your homepage a description, and you can select the type. We want to keep it as widget based, but here are some other options. We're also going to include a homepage header. Here I can give it my own header, so I'm just going to call it this practice course. And now we can customize the layout. You could go ahead and keep it as the basic plus, or you could select change layout and see some different options. For right now, let's keep it the same. Now you can see the basic widgets that come with this layout. You have a news widget, and then two to the right, a calendar widget and an updates widget. You can also add your own widgets by selecting the Add Widgets button. And here you can see some options. You also have the ability to create custom widgets or use the system widgets that are already included. I want to keep the news widget there, and I don't want to add any others. So I'm just going to go ahead and select out of this. I could also scroll down to the right and add widgets in this column as well. I could even make changes such as rearranging the widgets or completely deleting a widget. I'm happy with how this looks, so I'm going to go ahead and select Save and Close. So now I can see my active homepage. I want it to be my tutorial homepage, so I'm going to select the drop-down, find the one that I want, and select Apply. Now when I go to Home in the nav bar, my active homepage should be exactly how I set it up. And that is how you customize your homepage in D2L Bright Space.